Welcome back. So, we're always poking around the AI Agent Store website.
Yeah, we are. And actually, something specific caught our eye today, something I think could be really helpful for, well, anyone working with AI seriously.
Absolutely. We wanted to look into Pinecone today. It's listed on the site as a fully managed vector database.
Right, under the AI model serving platforms category. And this whole point, really, is to enable scalable, super fast semantic search for AI applications.
So finding stuff based on meaning, not just keywords.
Exactly. That's the key.
And it seems like it's really geared towards the people actually being this stuff. AI devs, ML engineers, data scientists.
Software engineers, product managers, too. Yeah.
Okay, so how does it work? What's the core idea?
Well, the big thing is it provides serverless infrastructure. That means it sort of scales automatically behind the scenes.
Ah, so you don't have to mess with managing servers and all that infrastructure complexity.
Precisely. It handles the scaling whether your data grows or you get more users, freeing you up.
Freeing you up for the AI logic, which is, let's be honest, the more interesting part.
Totally. And the site highlights some key features like hybrid search, metadata filtering.
Real-time indexing, too.
Yeah. And those are really important. Like real-time indexing means new info is searchable almost instantly. Think about chatbots needing up-to-the-minute data.
Or knowledge bases, right. You want the latest info available. And hybrid search, that's combining vector and keyword.
Vector for the meaning, keyword for specifics. Gives you more robust results, usually.
Gotcha. Now, something that really stood out was the autonomy level listed 78%. What's the thinking there?
Okay, so the explanation given is that its assistant feature automates a lot of the RAG pipeline components.
RAID retrieval augmented generation, where the AI pulls info before it answers.
Exactly that. So Pinecone helps automate the data chunking, breaking down big texts, and the embedding, turning text into those number vectors.
That AI understands.
Right. And also helps with query planning and orchestration, sort of managing how the queries use that retrieved data.
So 78% seems pretty high, automating a lot of the tricky back-end stuff. What holds it back from 100%?
Well, the source is clear that you, the developer, still need to step in. You define the actual use case, you set up the filters, you handle the integration into your broader system.
Okay, so it handles the how of the RAG to mechanics, but you direct the what and why.
That's a good way to put it. It automates the pipeline, but not the purpose or the fine-tuning.
That makes sense. So with that kind of help, what can you actually build with it?
The site lists some really strong examples, like recommendation systems that really get user preferences.
Okay, needing that fast vector retrieval.
Definitely. Also, chatbots and virtual assistants that can actually follow a conversation, keep context.
That's huge. And knowledge bases where you need super relevant info, like now.
Cutting through the
Yeah.
noise. And just generally boosting search functions in apps using things like that hybrid search we mentioned.
So connecting it back to you, the listener, if you're building AI that needs to understand complex stuff, deal with lots of data, and be quick about it.
Whether that's for e-commerce or customer service or healthcare or finance.
A tool like Pinecone seems designed to make that development process, well, smoother, more accessible, maybe.
Yeah, it tackles some of the harder infrastructure parts for you.
A few other quick bits from the site. It's got a freemium model.
Right, so you can probably try it out without paying up front. It is closed source, though,
Good to know. And a popularity level listed at 68%.
and used across software development, e-commerce, healthcare, finance, customer service. Pretty broad.
The tags really sum it up.
Yeah.
Vector database, semantic search, real-time indexing.
Hybrid search, AI infrastructure, scalable AI, metadata filtering. It paints a clear picture.
Did it mention any user feedback?
It did note some positive opinions, users mentioning it's fast, scalable, especially for ARG and semantic search, and that the metadata filtering and namespaces are useful for organizing data. Some features apparently need premium access, though.
Right, standard for freemium. Okay.
Well,
Well, that gives you a pretty good picture of Pinecone based on what's on the AI Agent Store site.
yeah. Hopefully that was a useful overview for you. And hey, if it was, we'd really appreciate if you could take a second to rate us. It helps others find the show.
Definitely. And, as we wrap up, here's something maybe to chew on. With tools like Pinecone getting so specialized and automating these complex bits like RAG pipelines, what kind of really sophisticated, maybe even niche AI applications might become practical really soon? Things that were just too hard before.
Interesting question. Food for thought. And you can find out more about Pinecone and other tools over at aiagentstore.ai.